How to get Minecraft for free on PC. So let's get started. First of all, let's open the web browser on your device. Then in any web browser, tap on the search address bar and search for the Minecraft. Now all you have to do is tap on the first option available there and navigate to its official website. Now in its website, scroll down and look for the download option available there. So this is the Java Edition version. Simply tap on the download option available and you can see there is download option available again in the green box. Simply tap on it and wait for a few moments for your Minecraft Java Edition to be downloaded on your device. The download process will be shown here, so wait for a few moments. So now as you can see it is downloaded. In macOS, I am dragging the downloaded Chrome file to the app. Now here all you have to do is look for the app, but as you can see no Minecraft app is available on my screen. So simply tap on it again and drag it. And if you still can't find it, then look for the spotlight and type down Minecraft. Tap on the open option available there. And it will start updating or downloading the version. It will again take few minutes, so wait for a few minutes. So now as you can see it is almost completed. Now tap on it and your Minecraft free Java edition will be opened on your PC Mac. Before doing that, you will have to enter your Mac password, the password you use to log into your Mac, and it will open the Minecraft. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.